Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to link Dollar General to Ibotta. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Linking your Dollar General account to Ibotta allows you to earn cashback automatically without submitting receipts. In order to do it, what you need to do is first head over and then open up your Ibotta app. Now once you are here, tap on the login option on the top left corner of the screen, then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully log into your account. Now once logged into your account, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner once again, and then under it select link accounts. Now inside find and then tap on Dollar General. Now sign in using your Dollar General account credentials, same as the digital coupon. Then once that's done, confirm your link and you will be able to link the Dollar General to Ibotta. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.